Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making coleslaw. So here we go for the ingredients. 250 grams of cabbage, 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 2 tablespoon sugar, salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Three to 4 tablespoons of milk, a full cup of mayonnaise, and a chopper for chopping the vegetables. Now cut the carrots into small pieces and put into the chopper. And chop it like so. Then cut the cabbage into small pieces and chop it. After chopping the cabbage, it will come like this. Now add the ingredients: onion, sugar, black pepper powder, yogurt, and salt to taste. Then add the milk. And add mayonnaise. Now mix it well. Now put into the fridge and rest it for 2 to 3 hours. It is recommended to make at least 24 hours before serving. So here we go, our coleslaw is ready to serve. I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye.